Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to today's video where I'll be using my all-time favorite makeup, creating this look. So I hope you see something here that is also your favorite. So I hope that you like, share and subscribe. And without further ado, let's jump into it. My all-time favorite primer is this one from YSL. It's a blurring primer and I feel like it works with most of foundation, just like a pump. So when it came to foundation, it was really difficult for me to choose, but it all came down to what I use the most and what I bring with me while I'm traveling, and that is Chanel No. 1. So that is my all-time favorite foundation if you ask me, and mine is in shade BR152. I'll just spray my brush, and maybe we can say MAC Fix is all-time favorite, and I just put foundation on my palette here. So what are your all-time favorite makeup? I would really like to know, and if we have some similarities. So this is my all-time year-round perfect shade. My all-time favorite concealer, that has to be Dior. This is Dior Forever Skin Correct. Mine is in shade 6N. And this concealer is so creamy. That's why I like it. I have dry skin. I'm just going to put a little bit concealer on my chin. So that's how the foundation and concealer looks like together. And for contour, my all-time, I'm going for Fenty. This is a Fenty Matchsticks, and this is in shade Espresso. And just pick it up with a brush. And with a small brush, I'm just using the contour to contour my nose. And I just go back in with the concealer brush. My under eye powder, this is Pat McGrath under eye blurring powder. All over my face, I'm using Nars Light Reflecting Loose Powder, and this is in Sandstone, and it's almost done. This is my all-time favorite powder. So for bronzer, I'm going to use from Hourglass in Tiger palette, and Hourglass face palettes are my all-time favorite. This is supposed to be like a finishing powder, but I use it for bronzer. That's how it picks up. And then for cream blush highlighter, I love this Dior Forever Glow Maximizers. I have 5 shades in this, so this counts like my all-time favorite. And today, because of the blush that I'm going to use, so today I'm going to use Copper, and this goes so well on top of the powder, so no need to worry about that. Just go in direct. This is just gives like this is without and this is with copper. I just love how settled they are. So if you need like a quick makeup day, this is good. That is the Dior Forever in copper. So for powder blush, I'm going to use this one from the Tiger palette, and this is Burnished Glow. Oh, it's autumn, so I'm keeping it a little bit autumn, and this works good with that highlighter from Dior, from the copper one. So that is Burnished Glow on top of Dior copper. And then I'll just go in with the powder brush, and I'll take finishing powder is Guerlain meteorites. I've been using them for years, so they are my favorite. It's a powder that I always go for, especially if you're dry skin. And now that it's autumn, I think this is best powder to use. I actually use it all year round. I'll just take highlighter from the face palette as well. I don't need highlighter, but okay. And now we are moving to the eyes, and this was really difficult to make up my mind. But I settled with the Chanel eyeshadow quad, because again it came down to when I'm traveling, when I'm going somewhere, what is easy to pack, what do I bring with? And these small palettes are always good. So this is a Chanel quad. This is my favorite eyeshadow to travel with, and just to use in general when I don't want to think and I'm just quick, I'm going somewhere. And this is limited edition. This is in shade 388. So I'll just pick up this beige shade here and run it all over the lid. Then I'm just taking the brush and I'll use this other lighter shade here, and I'll put that one in my inner V. And take a black shade and just put that one in my outer lid. And I'm buffing it so lightly so that it's not too dark. That lighter shade and connect them. Then with the transition shade, I just go up. Then with this shimmer shade here, I'm just using my finger and just put that one all over. So that's the eyeshadow done. I'll just do eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll be back. Okay friends, I just went ahead and applied mascara and eyeliner, and on my eyebrows, my all-time favorite is Benefit Goof Brow. This is in shade 5. This is what I always use. And then eyeliner is KVD. This is liquid liner, black. And then for my waterline, Lancome and black as well. And then I set my eyebrows with Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Mascara, what I always rave for, Fenty Hella Thick Mascara in black. So that's what I just did. Now let's move to the lips. I'll just remove the lip gloss. So for the lips, all-time favorite lip liner, MAC. This is my go-to lip liner. And the one I'm using today is in shade Half Red. For lipstick, I had to give it to Chanel. This is Rouge Coco formula. This is my all-time favorite, and this is in shade 4 or 6, the one that I'm going to apply today. For setting spray, my favorite Urban Decay setting sprays, apart from matte one because I have dry skin, and then MAC Fix Plus. But for setting my makeup, I prefer Urban Decay. Okay friends, so this is our makeup fully done, my all-time favorite makeup. Let me know what you'd like to see next. So this is the face. I hope that you like and some of these products are your favorite. So go ahead and like, subscribe. Thank you so much and I appreciate you. Have a good one. Bye.